Welcome back to the B-Man 97 channel. Happy to announce, got my packages in the mail today. In case any of you are wondering, this is what bees are shipped in. I got them priority mail, first day UPS, or 1-day shipping I mean. 3-pound packages. Got 4 of them. You know, they're pretty anxious to get out, as you can see. I've had packages in the past from this same apiary, Roseman apiaries. I think they're from Georgia. Pretty good bees from what I've experienced. I mean, of course, every colony is different, but this is how they kind of come in. They kind of come like this, 2 of them bound together. So I broke these 2 apart already. I'm gonna go ahead and start breaking this one apart. Day's pretty good. A little windy. A little more windy than I'd like, a little bit more breezy than I'd like. But, gotta put them in, you know what I mean? So I'll break these down, and my grandpa's supposed to be coming, helping me out. He wants to learn a little bit more about it. And, yeah. So let's get into that right now. So here we are. We just took one of the queen cages out of the package, and we dumped off the excess bees so we could take a look, see if the queen's alive and well. And for this particular package, she had died, and I knew something was probably off because the bees were acting pretty aggressive, which is kind of a common behavior when they don't have a queen. And so this is the first time this ever happened to me. So me and my grandpa, we were trying to figure out what exactly to do. So we decided to take a picture of it, and then I shot that off in an email to my distributor. And luckily, they're going to send us a new one, a new queen. So what they recommended was putting the dead queen in the hive, or in the box, and then dumping the rest of the bees in there. And these are some pictures that we took. I don't know how well you can see. She's back in the right hand corner in this photo. You can see I don't know if she got crushed or shriveled up or something. So we went ahead and put her in the box, and then dumped the rest of the bees in there. And we decided to keep working on, moving on to the rest of the packages. So we'll keep a close eye on this colony, make sure it gets through, hopefully. Well, sorry about that, folks. I didn't film me putting the rest of the packages in or anything after that. I got kind of busy. The weather was getting kind of worse, so I was trying to hurry with my grandpa. We were trying to get it done. And my sister, she was just a little bit too afraid to be filming, I guess. Too scared of getting stung or something, which is understandable. But, yeah, so hopefully from here on I can get a better system to film. When I'm working with the bees, I'm going to try to get a tripod. But we were just trying to hurry, so my hands were pretty full. I didn't have really the time or the opportunity to be filming. I needed to kind of be focused on what I was doing, so hopefully next time I'll be able to take better videos. You can see they're out here doing, I don't know how well the camera can pick this up, but they're doing some orientation flights, which is a good sign for sure. So we'll check on them probably tomorrow. Well, it's now Sunday, and we got them on Friday. Yesterday, that was Saturday, it kind of rained all day. So this is the first time the bees are really out and being active. Like I said earlier, that one hive that didn't have that one package that didn't have a queen, they're still pretty hot. They're kind of, a little bit more aggressive, which is kind of common behavior for bees that don't have a queen, or a hive that doesn't have a queen. But we got one coming in the mail, so hopefully it shows up tomorrow, Tuesday at the latest. I don't know how much longer I really want them to go without a queen. I originally thought about combining 2 packages together and then splitting them, and I just decided, you know what, let's just take the odds and hopefully they stay in there long enough. They should. I left the dead queen. That's what the distributor recommended. He said, I contacted him, he said just leave the dead queen in there and dump them in, and they should stay, and it seems to be the case. So hopefully they send it. But these other 3 hives are doing pretty good. They're getting pretty active. We got the feeders on top. That's that gray box. Got that with sugar water. Right now the solution is probably about 1/3 sugar to 2 parts water. 1 part sugar to 2 parts water. Which I think is good enough for right now. They're drinking that down pretty fast. And yeah, they're starting to pull some of the dead bees out. which is a good sign that they're taken to the box. And I haven't seen them bring any pollen back, so that means there's probably not any larvae yet, or eggs being laid. It's possible that the queen hasn't even been released. It's kind of been a short time, but I would say by tomorrow. Maybe I'll come back on Tuesday and open them up. Maybe I'll do it tonight. I don't know, I gotta leave town for a couple days. But yeah, for the most part, it's pretty good. We'll just keep watching them and try to film. Well, I might not be putting that new queen in. I might have my dad do it on that other colony, so probably won't be filming that. But when I remove the queen cages to see if they've been released, I'll try to film that, make another video. Thanks for watching the B-Man97 channel. Hope you guys have a good day, and hit the like and subscribe button. All right.